I've never done Hooters before. Well, I've never eaten Hooters, let's put it that way. You know? Look at the all the kites going on. I don't know if I'm getting them, man. Am I getting them? This one. They're all doing the kites. Another one. Getting close to that boardwalk at Hooters. I want a couple of them, man. Those are cool. Everybody's running up and down with them things.
That's what I
They
need.
seem to be legal. I don't know. I'm gonna look on eBay. Kind of like that idea. Coolio. Segway. That is too neat. I don't know. I'd like to see him fall, to be honest with you. Looks like the one guy did. He's got a bandage on his leg.